Hello everyone, in this demo I'm going to show you how to work with style sheet. Now say I have my web application. So in my web application or website I can have n number of pages. As here I have page 1, page 2, page 3, and on each page I can have n number of controls. So I need to give some style to each and every control. That means some color combination, some font style, and how it looks. So what is that I need to do? I need to go for each and every control, right click, properties, then I need to set the background color, forecolor, and font size, everything. So this would take a long time for me to do, as in my application I can have hundreds of controls. So how do I enhance this? I can do this with the help of style sheet. I can simply right click and say add new item, and I'm going to add a CSS style sheet, cascade style sheet. I'll name it as my style sheet and I'll say add. Now here in every style sheet I'll have the classes. I got this body as a class. Now I can define this class, how my body should look like. I can go on build style and I can say the background color of my body should be yellow. Say okay, and I'll save this. That means I have defined a style in my style sheet. Now if I drag and drop this style sheet on my master page and I'll save this, all the child pages would get yellow background. That means I need not to go to each and every page and set the background. I'll just execute this. So I got my background as yellow on each and every page. Now in the same way I can go and define the styles for each and every control as well. Now I'll go back to my style sheet and here I can define one class. I'll say .btn. Now this is for button. I can define any name. This is user defined name. I can give anything. Now I'm using this notation for buttons. So how should my button look like? I'll just define here. All the buttons on the page should have this button class. So the font family of the button should be Arial and the background of the button should be red and the forecolor should be white and it should be font weight should be bold, and border I can go for same for all. Border style should be solid and width let it be thin and border color let it be black. Say okay. Now this is what I have defined style for button. Now my every button should look like this. Now how do I apply that style to this button? It is very simple. I'll just go for view and I have a window called as apply styles. It shows me there is a style called as button, so I can just select the button and select the style. The style got applied to this button, and the same way I'll go to the page 2, select the button, select the style. Page 3, select the button, select the style. I'll save this, save all, and I'll execute this. Now you should see that all the buttons has got the same style. Page 1, page 2, page 3. In the same way I can define one more class for text box as well. I'll just come here and I'll say .txt box. Now this is for my text box. So standard way of defining color or style for text box. Let the background color of the text box be yellow and let the forecolor be dark blue. Say okay. That's it. I'll have simple this style, and what I want is I want to change the style of the button. So I need not to go to each and every button and work out there. I simply come here, in the style sheet I'll change the background from red to dark blue. I'll say okay, save this. Now come to the page 1, button got updated automatically, and for the text box let it be yellow, let it be txt yellow. Save all, execute this. So this is very simple. Now I can work with any number of controls with the help of style sheets. Now my button got changed. If I want to change the style, I need to go to a single file and edit the style. That's it. It is going to reflect each and every page and on each and every control. So this is all about your style sheet and applying style with the new window, apply style, which is the feature of .NET 3.5. Thank you very much.